Welcome back, folks. This is the fourth crash course in the NRI series. If you have been scratching your head about filing Forms A2 or Form 15 CA for your fund transfers, you've hit the right video. I'm going to walk you through these forms and we'll navigate the income tax portal for filing these forms too. Hi everyone, you've tuned into NRI 101. I am CA Onam Aggarwal, your go-to guide from One Stop Consultants and Services. And today, we are going to decode the forms behind NRI bank transfers. In our last session, we learned all the procedures and documents for moving funds from ordinary to external account. In case you missed it, no worries. Just hit the link in description box. Now very quickly, let's tackle the three key forms that make this fund transfer happen. First up is Form A2. This is all about RBI's FEMA compliance. You can get it from your local bank in India, and this is what it looks like for Kotak Bank users. Now different banks have different formats, but as you can see, these forms are essentially designed to know how much, from whom, from where, and who gets it. That is, the transferor, the transferee details, the amount, the source of funds. So whatever be the bank, this is the main information that this form is seeking. Moving on to the second document, Form 15 CB. If you are sending above 5 lakh rupees and the amount is taxable, then this form is required. It is a CA stamp which says, yes, all taxes cleared. So you approach your chartered accountant and he will give you this form along with the acknowledgement number. Third in line is Form 15 CA. It is a self-declaration form which can be filed online or offline. It simply declares that taxes have been paid on the funds to be remitted. Now for online filing, I'll walk you through these forms. You must start by logging in to the income tax portal. The link of the website is in the description box. After that, log in with your PAN card and your password to access your account. Under the option e-file, select income tax forms and then select file income tax forms. You will see three categories. Go to the third one, persons not dependent on any source of income, source income not relevant, and under this category you will find the Form 15 CA. Click Form 15 CA, select your financial year, select online mode. Once you have your documents ready, let's get started. You can see this form has 4 parts and you have to select the applicable part, A, B, C, D, depending on the circumstance. Now part C is where Form 15 CB of the CA is required. As you can see, it requires you to fill the acknowledgement receipt number which I discussed about just a few minutes back under Form 15 CB. So input the ARN number given by your CA and then you hit proceed. There are other parts of this form depending on what's applicable. Once you fill in the relevant details and upload the required documents, you can just proceed. Remember, you must take a printout of the form and the acknowledgement slip. Whenever you are filing any statutory document, before you sit down to file a form or a document, remember to keep all your supporting documents handy, like your will, your rent deed, your bank statement, tuition bills, admission documents, property papers, whatever be the case. Keeping these documents handy saves a lot of time, trust me. Alright, that was a turbo run through of the banking forms that you need. If you still got any questions, drop them below. Share this wisdom with your existing and soon to become NRI buddies. Hit that subscribe button for more insider info on NRI matters. And if you need one-on-one help, hit me up on WhatsApp through the link below. This is CA Onam Aggarwal from One Stop Consultants signing out. Stay smart, stay informed.